So this is your friend Dom Gamad, and now we're going to discuss again another kinds of topic. This is the factoring of trinomials using the special product formulas. Okay, we have to factor each of the polynomials. We have some example here to be answered. I'll give you 5 different kinds of polynomials that will be answered. So we have here letter A, 9x squared plus 24xy plus 16y squared. Letter B, 9x squared minus 24xy plus 16y squared. Letter C, 9x squared plus 25xy plus 16y squared. So letter D, 9x squared minus 145xy plus 16y squared. And letter E is 9x squared minus 16y squared. Okay, now let's begin with letter A, 9x squared plus 24xy plus 16y squared. So the first and third terms are perfect squares. First and the third terms are perfect squared. Okay, so in this case we are going to find the factor of these terms. So we're gonna write as 9x squared. 9x squared, the factor of this is 3x squared. Okay, and the 16y squared is equal to 4y squared. Okay, and we also factor this 24xy. 24xy is equal to the factor of 2. What else? 3x, and 2 times 3 is 6 times 4y. Okay, so this is a factor of 24xy. Therefore, we have the perfect square trinomials. Okay, we call these trinomials because why they call it trinomials? Because we have 3 terms, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so this will be written as using the perfect square formula. Our x is 3x plus our y is 4y squared. So this is the final answer. Very easy. Okay, so by checking, if we want to know that our answer is correct, we're gonna check it. So this 3x plus 4y multiplied by itself, so we're gonna check 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y, 3x plus 4y, so we multiply this. 3 times 3, 9x squared. 3 times 4, 12y. 4 times 3x. 3x times 4y is 12xy. So this 12xy. Okay, and this 4y times 3x is 12xy. And then 4 times 4y times 4y plus 16y squared. Okay, by adding. So this will be 16y squared plus, and then this is positive 24y xy. Bring down 9x squared. Okay, our answer is correct because they are the same. The product is the same. So this 3x plus 4y squared is our answer, means correct. Okay, so another example. Our letter B is 9x squared minus 24xy plus 16y squared. Okay, so the first and third term are perfect square because the first and the third term are perfect squares. 9x squared, the factor of this is 3x squared, and 16y squared is 4y squared. Okay, and we also factor out this 24xy is equal to the factor of 3x times 4y. Okay, therefore it is a perfect square trinomial. Thus we're gonna write this as 3x, this one 3x minus 4y squared. Okay, because this is negative 24xy, that's why we write here the sign will be negative 3x minus 4y squared. Now to check if our answer is correct, so this is the answer. We multiply this 3x minus 4y by itself. 3x minus 4y, 3x minus 4y. So this will be multiplication. 3x times 3x is 9x squared. Then 3x times negative 4y is negative 12xy. And then the same as this, negative 4y times 3x is negative 12xy. And negative 4y times negative 4y is positive 16y squared. 16y squared plus this will be negative 24xy, and just bring down the 9x squared. Okay, they are the same, right? So they are the same. So meaning our answer is correct. This one is correct. Okay, another. So the letter C is we have 9x squared plus 25xy plus 16y squared. Okay, in this case we have a second degree trinomial for which we use trial and error and obtain the formula. So the formula of this trial and error using the second degree trinomial formula. So we're gonna write our formula is ACX squared plus AD plus BC times xy plus bdy squared is equal to bracket ax plus by bracket cx plus dy. Okay, so this is the formula that we are going to use, the trial and error formula. Now we're gonna write 9x squared plus 25xy plus 16y squared is equal to, so we are going to combine the first and the third term. We'll just get the 9x and 16y. Okay, 9x plus 16y and multiply it by xy, x plus y. Okay, so this will be the answer. Okay, to check, so we multiply this into this 9x plus 16y, x plus y. So 9x times x is 9x squared, x times 16y plus 16xy, and then this one plus y times 9x is 9xy, then y times 16y, this will be 16y squared. Now by adding 6y squared plus, so this will be xy 5 carry 1 25, then plus bring down the 9x squared. So the answer is 9x squared 25x squared. So they are the same. Okay, they are the same. So this is our answer. Okay, let's proceed to letter D. Let's continue. We have the letter D, 9x squared minus 145xy plus 16y squared. So we're going to use the trial and error to 9x squared minus 145xy plus 16y squared is equal to, so we are going to get the factor of 9x squared. So we're gonna write this as 9x and x. Okay, this will be like this, 9x times x, and this one is 16y times y. Okay, so we're gonna write it negative because this is negative. If we multiply this, we get the product of 145xy. So we just write negative y, this one, y minus 16y. Okay, so this will be the answer. To check if our answer is correct, check 9x minus y times x minus 16y. X times 9x is 9x squared. Then positive x times negative y is negative xy. Negative 16y times 9x is negative 144. Okay, 144 xy. Then negative 16y times negative y, this will be 16y squared. Okay, 16y squared plus, so this will be 145, negative 145 xy, bring down 9x squared. Okay, they are the same. So meaning to say, the factor of 9x squared minus 145xy plus 16y squared is equal to the factor of 9x minus y bracket x minus 16y. So this is our answer, meaning to say that our answer is correct by checking. Okay, the last one, we have letter E, 9x squared minus 16y squared. So we are in the form of binomial using the difference of two squares. So first, we're going to get the factor of this. So this will be 3x squared and 4y squared. Okay, so using the difference of two squares, 9x squared minus 16y squared equal to, using this x minus y, using this formula, difference of two squares, we're gonna use this x minus y. This is the formula of difference of two squares. So since we have x squared minus y, this will be, and then our x is 3. We have 3x here, so we just distribute it, 3x, then plus, we have to copy the sign, plus and negative. Our y is 4y. Just distribute the 2 4y. Okay, so using the difference of two squares, this will be the answer. Okay, the product of 9x squared minus 16y squared. So by checking, to check, again, we multiply this, 2x plus 4y, 3x minus 4y. Okay, 3x times 3x, this will be 9x squared. 3x times positive 4y is 12y. And then negative 4y times positive 3 is negative 12y. And then negative 4y times positive 4y, this will be negative 16y squared. 16y squared, negative. So this will be cancelled out. And then x, bring down x, 9x squared. So 9x squared minus 16y squared is the same to this, to the original equation or expression. Okay guys, so that's very easy. So until then, this is your friend Dom Kamad. If you like and enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell so that you will not miss any video that will be uploaded here on my channel. Okay guys, thank you again soon. Bye bye.